Septic shock. Let's go over septic shock. What is the difference between sepsis and septic shock? Sepsis is, let's say you get an infection from bacteria, so you have bacterial infection, and that spreads throughout the body. It causes different things to happen. Septic shock is when the infection and the bacteria actually affects the entire body. And let's say that we said cytotoxic T cells. What do? How do they kill? They punch holes, right? Inside of your gram-negative and gram-positive, there are, let's just call them, right now we're just going to simplify and say, I have an endotoxin. Say the endo means inside, toxin is obviously a poison that can kill you. So if I lyse this cell, and I lyse many of them because they give you an antibiotic and you have an infection that is spread throughout your body, these endotoxin cause massive vasodilation. And let's say that this vasodilation causes blood to pull in your legs so it can't go back to your heart. That's shock in general. So shock means there's insufficient blood flow back to the heart because maybe you're vasodilated and all the blood is pulled somewhere else. That can cause your heart to fail. It means that you have insufficient blood flow to the brain and all the rest of the body. So you can die from shock, any kind of shock. Different types of shock. We can say septic shock. What does that do to? Bacterial infection and lysing of the bacteria to release endotoxins. And endotoxin cause massive vasodilation. Okay, what else is there? Cardiogenic shock. Let's say that the heart fails and it can no longer pump blood to the rest of the body. Yeah, that's a form of shock. What else do we have? Allergic shock. That we call anaphylactic. That means that if I have an allergic reaction, it causes massive vasodilation throughout the body. You are undergoing shock, insufficient blood flow back to the heart. So there's several. So we're going to say there's also hemorrhagic shock. So we'll keep it at these four as simplified.